Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to save view in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. First step is to open up the project where you want to save your view. So in my case I will click on project 2. Now, in order to save a view, just customize your view to your liking. So let's say I will customize, click on filter, I will do only incomplete task and just my task. Now I will click away, and now as you can see, once I have added these filters, I have the option to save view right here. I can do that and save this list view to my desired view, or I can click on more options and click on save as a new tab, and this will create a new tab with this view, and I can name it so just my tasks. So thank you for watching. If you want to delete this tab, just right click and remove. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.